Hi, my name is Valeria Salas and I'm studying graphic design.
Hi, my name is Sandra Cardeña, and as my partner mentioned, we are graphic design students.
Today, we will talk you a little bit about the topic of wellness trend and also about their importance.
As well, we will explain to you why it's an important topic for graphic design students.
The millennials, since some time ago, decided to create a change in their daily lives for having bad eating habits that nowadays healthier foods are consumed.
Nowadays, people are very concerned about immigration, war, totalitarian governments, famine, natural disasters, among others.
This does not normally affect people who care about their health and being healthy. Food, exercise, diet, behaviors, hurtful habits, etc.
The experiences of people who are millennials become ideal when adopting a much more fulfilling, healthier lifestyle. We clearly recognize that being physically beautiful is not enough. We are also talking about what we are able to express in our external person and bring us closer to more people.
Sportswear is one of the examples of this trend. Usually, these kind of garments are around us. This is in many different areas, and this is without the need of doing exercise. But this trend is always there.
All sportwear is very fashionable nowadays, from design, fabrics, colors, shapes, and even existing too many variants and models.
Another example of this trend is the shoes that all the big companies are developing a more comfortable design every time for people who practice sports as well as for adults for the simple fact of using it day by day.
All the products that are in process of creation are thought to produce them in the healthiest way.
The fact that a person is well mentally, physically, and spiritually has become extremely important because this also goes hand in hand with technology and the development of future projects or products, which helps to try to make consumers happy with all the attention and that they can feel that they are the best.
Next, we will mention wearables that are dedicated to detecting some imperfection, be it disease or condition that could put someone at risk. This has been a support for doctors because this way you can monitor how well or bad the person is doing, and it will help doctors to check a clinical profile or prevent diseases.
Usually, this trend is focused on animals and their welfare. The trend in a natural way of pets includes all the products that can be produced in their environment.
These trends likewise includes a considerable increase in non-synthetic and non-toxic materials for bed covers for toys.
In Japan, pets are not treated as such but as normal people, so they have developed a high level of conviction.
Wellness experiences will only be for those who don't feel completely healthy. Two important points in this trend are architecture and interior design, which is influenced by Oriental and minimalist design, which continue to function as one of the biggest influences.
Interior design and architecture without able to develop a trend because it affects a lot in how you can get to perceive a space and how can affect the emotional and mental state.
This sector is constantly evolving, so it could include a broader understanding of wellness, in which it also encompasses mental health.
There are many types of products that are part of this trend that is getting quite popular for the fact that they support in some way the well-being of the person, being able to be from products or service.
Nowadays, there are so many hotels that have the holistic design, focus on achieving the well-being of the guest, contributing to reduce stress, and among other things.
Minimalism helps the brain to release melatonin, including a purification system with which it could regulate the release.
We agree that stress abounds today, and it is one of the heaviest issues that people have, in which we can include work days, reduced delivery time, strict consumers or clients, a demand on production speed. This affects anyone, but especially the younger generation.
In this trend, there will be two distinct paths later, which are total rejection or extreme adaptation. At this point, social networks influence in terms of advertising, people around us, etc.
Day by day, we get things in our feed like healthy food, exercise, or healthy lifestyle, which help us to build self-confidence to achieve a healthy life.
A good way to be able to achieve our wellness is to start by looking internally and analyzing our body in a deep way.
Some examples of this trend are veganism, that has increased in popularity. This is an example because, as well as respecting animals, it is healthy and contributes of the well-being of people.
Number 2, reduction of social networks. This contributes to the welfare of people by keeping them a little away from the cell phone for a while to be able to do more useful things and not waste it.
Healing crystals, the ancient secret of beauty, which contributes to skincare, improves the energy of the people who use it.
Number 4, Ayurveda, a way to diagnose and treat diseases by balancing spirit and body with the mind.
For the conclusion, we mentioned that regardless of the trend, it always works to some extent in the same way. You must move forward as society and technology advances, change moods and behaviors.
Trends evolve in a slow time. They are in our environment and affect in everything we have day by day.
And thank you very much for your attention.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation.